When the rain is pouring and the roof is failing, you can't always get a contractor on site immediately. In today's episode, we're tackling the high-stakes emergency roof leak that's threatening to destroy the interior of a commercial building. This picture was sent to me in the morning. Housekeeping overnight was thoughtful enough to put a box on the floor with a plastic liner just to collect the raindrops. They did report that there was water coming out of the ceiling vent. This is just about the area where the water is coming through the roof. Here we got EPDM rubber membrane with rock ballast on top of it. It's gonna be a few days before the roofer actually gets on site, so I need to do something. Here we got the metal pan roof with the fire retardant sprayed on it, and you can see where it's wet and soiled. I'm gonna go ahead and mitigate with a leak diverter kit. It's basically an upside down umbrella tarp with a hose attached to it, with the hose ending in a bucket on the floor, catching the water as it drips and the roof leaks. There's a lot of rain forecasted between now and when the roofers get on site. Believe me, rest assured, I'm a lot more calmer now with a leak diverter kit in place. There's quite a few products on the market. You could go online, uh, type in leak diverter or leak diaper, and you should bring you up all kinds of different devices that can be purchased. I keep one kit on my truck at all times because you never know when it's going to need it for like a roof leak or a pipe leak, something like that. And this type of device will just buy you time. And as a maintenance technician, that is great because you're letting the property manager or owner of the building know that you're containing and mitigating the water before it makes any damage, and gives you time to get either a plumber or a contractor or even do the repair yourself. This is a win. It keeps water off the flooring and prevents slip hazards. I set a schedule to check and empty the bin every few hours until the rain stops, the building is dry, and the occupants are safe. We're just in a holding pattern mode until the pros arrive to repair the roof. A leak diverter kit is a must on the truck. I highly recommend you have one with you at all times. Thanks for watching.